Are you heading outdoors and have no idea which cookware set won't fall apart on you or just leave you eating cold beans? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 10 best camping cookware sets on the market right now, covering weight, materials, piece count, and who each one is actually built for. Let's get into it. Number 1. THTYBROS Camping Cookware. THTYBROS Camping Cookware kicks off our list with an impressive 17-piece all-in-one setup that covers just about everything a 1 to 2 person camp kitchen needs. You get a 1.7-liter pot, a 7-inch non-stick pan, a kettle, stainless steel cups and plates, cutlery sets, a bamboo spoon, and even a cleaning cloth, all nested into a compact mesh bag at just 2.75 pounds. What stands out here is the quality mix of materials. The hard anodized aluminum cookware paired with 304 stainless steel cups and plates is a real upgrade over the plastic alternatives common in this price range. Number 2. THTYBROS Camping Cookware Mess Kit. If 17 pieces wasn't enough, THTYBROS also makes a 27-piece mess kit, and somehow it still weighs under 2.5 pounds. That's a wild ratio of completeness to portability. You get pots, pans, a kettle, stainless steel plates, full cutlery, a spatula, storage bags, and a quick-dry cleaning cloth. The whole thing packs smaller than a football. The standout feature, the kettle nests inside the pots for maximum space savings, a smart design detail that most competitors overlook. Next up is the Otoland 10-piece camping cookware set, a no-fuss, budget-friendly option for 1 to 2 person trips. It includes a pot, fry pan, kettle, 3 bowls, a soup spoon, bamboo spatula, and cleaning sponge, all tipping the scale at just 1.7 pounds. The plastic bowls keep weight down compared to stainless options. Otoland has been building outdoor gear since 2015, and this set reflects that experience. BPA-free bowls, non-toxic anodized aluminum cookware, and a folding handle design that packs neatly into the included mesh bag. Number 4. Astercook Camping Cookware Set. The Astercook 21-piece camping cookware set plays a completely different game than the backpacking sets we've covered so far. This one's designed for recreational vehicle trips, car camping, and base camp setups where versatility matters more than ultralight weight. The big selling point is the detachable locking handle system. One handle works across all pots and pans, supporting up to 22 pounds. The PFOA-free ceramic non-stick coating is oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit with the handle off, and it works on induction, gas, ceramic, and electric stovetops, making it just as useful at home as it is on the road. Coming in at number 5, the Alocs 5-piece camping cookware set is the choice for people who care about how their gear is actually engineered. Alocs has been designing outdoor kitchenware since 2006, one of the oldest brands on this list, and the attention to detail is visible. The set includes 3 anodized aluminum pots, a non-stick frying pan, and a mesh carry bag, all weighing just 2.05 pounds. The details that set this apart: steam reflux groove lids that keep condensation inside the pot, heat-efficient threaded pot bottoms that improve flame contact, and silicone non-slip folding handles. Number 6. Smokey Camp Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Here's where things get interesting. The Smokey Camp 10-piece camping mess kit is one of the only sets on this list that includes a 3,500-watt foldable stove and a propane adapter right out of the box. No hunting for compatible gear. You're ready to cook the moment you set up camp. The kit also comes with 3 pot sizes: 3.3 liter, 2.0 liter, and 1.2 liter, giving you real cooking flexibility for groups or families. The stove has a built-in windshield design that improves burn efficiency in outdoor conditions, which is a genuinely practical addition. Number 7. KingCamp Camping Cookware Set. Durability is the priority. The KingCamp stainless steel camping cookware set stands on its own. Founded in 2002 and sold in 46+ countries, KingCamp knows how to build gear that lasts. The pots are made from 304 double-bottomed stainless steel, the same food-safe grade used in commercial kitchens, and the frying pan adds a non-stick coating for eggs and delicate foods. The handles are natural bamboo wood, which is both eco-friendly and pleasantly grippy even in wet conditions. The set serves 4 to 6 people and works on open flame, charcoal, wood, gas, and induction, making it one of the most versatile heat source options here. Solo backpackers, this one's for you. The MalloMe 10-piece camping cookware mess kit weighs just 1 pound, making it the lightest full kit on this entire list. It includes a 1-liter non-stick pot cover, pan, 2 BPA-free bowls, a folding stainless steel spork, a soup spoon, wooden spatula, a cleaning sponge, and a nylon travel bag. Everything fits in your palm. MalloMe is a family-owned North American brand, and they back this kit with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The non-stick coating is FDA approved, and all plastic components are BPA-free. Thoughtful choices for health-conscious buyers. Number 9. Kitchen Academy Camping Cookware Set. The Kitchen Academy 10-piece camping cookware set is another standout for the car camping and RV crowd. Like the Astercook, it uses a removable locking handle that lets you stack all 10 pieces into a footprint of just 11 by 3.8 inches, saving up to 50% more space versus traditional camp cookware. The coating is a PFOA and PFOS-free black granite non-stick, which is both beautiful and practical. The handle itself is made from Bakelite, a heat-resistant, non-conductive, stain-resistant material that provides a solid grip without getting dangerously hot. Rounding out our list is one of the most versatile product families in the outdoor cooking space, the Bullen Camping Cookware Set. What makes Bullen unique is that this single product line comes in 4, 8, 11, 13, and 24-piece configurations, so you can buy exactly what you need, whether that's a solo kit or a full family setup. The standout feature, the pots have campfire hang-compatible handles, so you can cook directly over an open flame without needing a stove at all, a rare and practical feature at this price. So there you have it, the 10 best camping cookware sets for every type of outdoor adventure. If I had to call 2 standouts, the MalloMe for solo ultralight hikers and the Smokey Camp kit for anyone who wants a true plug-and-play outdoor cooking setup. All Amazon links are in the description below. Go check them out. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Now I want to hear from you. Which set caught your eye? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.